TDS is really a tedious subject. The Finance Bill 2021 has introduced a new obligation on the buyers to deduct tax while purchasing the goods. For this purpose, an altogether new section 194Q is inserted with effect from 1st July 2021. Under this new provision, tax is required to be deducted by the buyer where value of purchase or aggregate value of purchase exceeds rupees 50 lakh during the financial year. The tax under this section is required to be deducted at the rate of 0.1% where PAN of the seller is available with buyer, and where PAN of the seller is not available with the buyer, then tax will be deducted at the rate of 5%. Under this section, only those buyers will require to deduct tax whose total turnover, gross receipts or sales exceeded rupees 10 crore in just immediately preceding year. And the tax will be deducted at the time when amount is paid or credited to the account of the seller. One should be very careful about compliance of this provision because in case of failure, the disallowance provision contained in section 40A IA would get attracted. We know last year similar kind of obligation was imposed on the seller while selling goods exceeding rupees 50 lakh. For this purpose, a new subclause 1H was inserted in section 206C. Now a question may arise when there is already provision to collect tax at source while selling goods, then why this new provision is introduced? Actually, it is noticed that in case of sellers whose total turnover not exceeds 10 crore, they are not liable to collect tax at source even if value of purchase exceeded rupees 50 lakh. To cover all such transactions, this provision is actually inserted. However, in order to avoid any confusion regarding applicability between section 206C1H and the new section 194Q, it is clarified that if on a particular transaction where both of these provisions are applicable, then only TDS under section 194Q would be applied. It is also clarified that on a particular transaction, if tax is required to be deducted under any other provisions of the Income Tax Act, then no tax will be deducted under this new section 194Q. This is really a very important proposal of the Finance Bill 2021. And we know a lot of queries, a lot of confusion would arise in due course while implementing the provisions of this new section. The central government is therefore empowered to issue guidelines to remove any difficulties likely to arise while implementing the provision of this new section.